Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be reviewing the Master Grade Zaku Gunner Warrior Custom Lunamaria. Let's get into it. But first I wanted to thank all my new subscribers and viewers. You're really supporting the channel. Thanks for following me on Facebook and Instagram. That's great. And if you want to see more creation of great content and reviews, just subscribe and we'll get that done. So this is my first Zaku Warrior ever. I wanted something that had a little bit more detail, or a lot more detail than what the standard 2.0 was bringing out, so I went with the Lunamaria Custom. I'm partial to the Seed Destiny sort of universe, so I really enjoyed this build. It looks fantastic. It fits in with my other Seed Destiny kits, which is really awesome. So this is the kit straight out of the box with some panel lining and the decals on, or some decals on. This is everything you get out of the box. Apart from the Zaku mobile suit, you also get an action base adapter, an extra 3 pairs of hands plus the pair on the mobile suit, 2 spare ammo packs, a beam saber axe, a miniature Lunamaria, the beautiful looking shield, the beam rifle, and the massive Wizard Gunner pack. Let's get started with the articulation of the mobile suit. The head has a left and a right, it can look up and down. It also has a gimmick where you can move the mono eye from the inside, but you need to take the helmet cap off. The arm could move outwards, also the shoulder can rotate in a full 360 degrees, however this can change due to the wizard pack being on the back. There is quite a good bend at the elbow, so you can move it past 90 degrees. The wrist is full 360. The hand manipulators, they're just little plastic pegs in there, but you also get a thumb, opposable thumb, which is great. The front, rear and side skirts can also move, they're just on a normal hinge. And you have very limited movement as to a ab crunch, so you can crunch forward and crunch back slightly, no side to side crunches. As for the legs, they can move all the way forward with a substantial bend in the knee, which can lead to some great dynamic poses, all the way back as well, with the feet being able to point up and down slightly with a side to side movement. Has some great gimmicks with these thrusters here being able to be pulled out and angled in different areas as well. Gives it a better silhouette. Let's have a look at the accessories, starting off with the beam rifle. You can turn the ammo box to the left, to the right, and also lock it in from the top. Then we have the shield with the opposable arm and extra slots for the ammo drums. Your awesome looking beam saber axe, looking amazing with the translucent details here. Mini Lunamaria, and then we have the Wizard Gunner pack with the little tube, the red tube, or red sheeted tube that goes from the pack into the weapon itself. I've only had a little bit of trouble with it popping off, but the gun itself is on an extendable arm, and you'll get to see it on Zaku in a moment. Attaching the accessories is pretty straightforward. The shield pops into the shoulder socket right there, and it is posable, which is very cool. And as for the Wizard Gunner unit itself, it just pops into the 2 little slots in the back. Overall, I had a great experience with the build. It was very straightforward. The instructions were straightforward. Applying the decals were straightforward as well. The only gripe that I do have would be the lack of dry transfers or water slide decals with the kit. Being of a colored plastic, or your dark plastics, having just your normal decals placed over these colored areas does give you a small white outline, and you're able to see it. They're like a lot more prominent than a sticker being or a decal being on a white background. So that's my only gripe there. I know I can probably just go and buy some, normal water slide or dry transfers, but trying to just build things out of the box here. I probably will top coat this in the future just to give the red glossed plastic a more matte finish to it. The panel lining went great. There's a lot of details, molded details in the jet and fin areas, which is great. So that wraps up the review of the Master Grade Zaku Warrior Lunamaria Custom. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content, and I'll see you on the next one.